Okay, after you have straight stitched the yoke to the bodice, you will fold up the yoke pieces and press that seam really well on both sides. So what you'll end up with, here is the right side, and then here is the wrong side. You can see you have the seam nicely enclosed, and the yoke looks really nice with that right side facing the inward. So now what we're going to do, lay your back piece and yokes out. See if I can get this. Take your front and at these shoulders, run basting stitches across the shoulder seams. Now we're going to align the shoulders to the main yoke shoulder, just the main yoke. And just pin these right at this point. Pull the thread from the basting stitch to match up the width of the shoulder yoke. You'll have some gathering there. Just gonna pull that up. Okay, my shoulders of the front are aligned to just the shoulders of the main yoke. So now what we're going to do, we're going to roll up the body, the front and the back, just kind of roll it up out of the way. And we're going to flip that back yoke, the black one there, so it's facing us. So the right side is facing up. And we're going to now take the shoulders on the lining yoke and align them over this rolled body to the shoulders that we have already done. So we're going to sandwich all three of those layers in there. That's going to put the body in the middle with the lining and the main yoke on either side. So the lining yoke is the right side is facing the wrong side of the body. But the main yoke, it's right sides together. Okay? So this is what we have. Kind of all rolled up in there, and then we've got our sandwiched shoulder seams. And you're going to take these to your machine and straight stitch across each shoulder seam using a 3/8 seam allowance.